Where do we start with this? An absolute beautiful example, direct in off the last owner. His two brothers have owned it from brand new. The car is absolutely incredible with nearly £5,000 worth of factory fitted options. Just look at it. BMW X5 XDRIVE 40D SE automatic, 3-litre engine, just over 300 brake horsepower. It is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely love the colour combination. Just look at it gleaming away. Deep sea metallic. Car's just absolutely incredible. Totally cherished from brand new. This is almost how the car came in. It's a gentleman who I've dealt with before. I bought his last car off him, and honoured that he'd offered me this car to buy off him direct again. Rear parking sensors, got cameras all the way around, above camera as well. Let me take you all the way around it. Just look at that colour again. Beautiful. Love the combination, the full beige leather upholstery. Just look at it. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a 2011 on 11 plate. You cannot believe the condition of this car. It's got the split rear tailgate, so you can open the bottom part or the top half just on its own. Look at the carpets, everything totally unmarked. It really is incredible how so we can keep a car in this sort of condition. Additional storage under there, bags of storage. Just look at it, absolutely huge. The bodywork is absolutely incredible how well it's been kept. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no little dings anywhere. There it is, XDrive 40D. Of course, XDrive is 4-wheel drive. All the wheels in nice condition. We've not refurbished these. This is how the vehicles come in. So there's no major damage on those, no major chunks knocked out of any of those. Those are the cameras on the side. Headlight power washers. Again across the front, just look at it. Absolutely beautiful. We do the videos just show you exactly how nice all the cars is. Nothing's left to chance. Full close-up of every single angle that you ever wish to see. And we're happy to send you a personalised video if there's any parts that you need to see that are not shown in our video. But we're trying to do a very comprehensive video to give you the confidence to buy this car unseen from the comfort of your armchair. Darkened rear windows. Again, just look at that trim. Full Nevada Beige. Lovely wood trim. Lovely combination. Again, just look at it there. As I mentioned, this is almost how the car came in. We've hardly had to even do a valet on the vehicle. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in there. All the upholstery totally unmarked. Plenty of legroom in there. And again, just look at all the little nooks and crannies, all spotlessly like brand new. Again, all the driver's door trim. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, alright, close up under there. Who would believe this is a 2011 car? 2011, just look at it. Electric seats. Again, all the upholstery in great condition. Front centre armrest. Lots of storage in there. USB aux input in there. Again, just to give you a full close-up of the passenger side, and again the dash trim, just look at it. What a beautiful combination. And the mileage of just 53,446. That's what it's done. 53,446, 2011 car. Reverse camera. Everything's all controlled from there. The full manageable satellite navigation, nice big clear screen. As I mentioned, almost £5,000 worth of factory fitted options. Very rare combination. Lovely spec on it, and of course outstanding condition. DAB radio. Great stereo on it. Bluetooth phone connection. All nice, easy, clear display, onboard computer. Full service history, there we go, takes you on there to show exactly when the next services are due. Clean bill of health, all straightforward. Dual zone climate control. And again, just getting the climate control just in the right positions. Cruise control and speed limiter. Radio.
Please activate telephone.
Voice activation and various stereo controls. Just all nice at your fingertips, easy control. Couple of nice cup holders. Of course, as I mentioned, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. The car is absolutely gorgeous. We don't believe you'll find a nicer example on the market. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always welcome, great finance available direct from ourselves. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website, reserve it and come and collect. And remember our full money back deposit. If you feel the car is not as described when you come to see it, we'll refund your deposit 100%, no questions asked. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. And again, we do the full walk around video to give you the full confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. You can come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for further details. What a real beauty this is. If you don't want to miss it, give us a call. 01782 822 700 on our BMW X5 XDRIVE 40D 4-wheel drive. Phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.